Hi guys, we received this power bank for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it's a really small and slim power bank. So let me open it. Okay, this is it. It comes with this travel bag, okay, which is really soft and it's nice. You can lock it like this, which I think it's a nice option. In here we have the main unit, okay? It's a fast charge power bank, which I think it's really nice. You get this input or output cable right here, which is really nice that you have already a cable integrated for those times when you just want to plug it in quickly. And you also get another input and output with a Type-C port and this output for a USB Type-A, okay, which I think it's really nice. In this side we have the power button, and when we long press it, as you can see, it turns on. This pot tells us how much battery it's left, and when we double click it, you turn on this really nice flashlight, which I think it's great. Okay, so let's test it out. I have in here a cell phone and I'm gonna plug it in, and immediately when I plug it in, we can see that it's charging, which I think it's really nice. I'm gonna leave it in here a bit. We also get the user manual with all the instructions on how to use it, and what is nice is that you can check the power level just by pressing it once, the button, double click to turn on and off the flashlight, and it's really nice. Okay, it's really slim, so you can take it with you to any travel with you because it has this travel bag, and I think that's a great option. You just place it like this and close it around, zip it, and now you can take it with you. As it's really slim, I think it will be perfect for a travel, going on a hike and don't get out of battery. I think that's a really nice option, and overall I like it a lot. I think that the feature with the cable so you can charge it and use it, it's a great feature, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.